In this video, I'll detail how to disable require password for AirPlay Receiver on iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18. So, if you are trying to use Apple Vision Pro to share or stream to your iPhone screen, then you may need to set up require password to protect your iPhone from everyone from sharing their Apple Pro Vision to your iPhone screen. So, if you have done this and you now decide to turn off this password but you don't know how to get about it, this video is going to walk you through. So, if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to disable or delete or turn off require password for AirPlay Receiver on iPhone 12 Pro Max on iOS 18, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Once you selected General as well, scroll down, click on AirPlay and Continuity, and now scroll down. You should see the feature called Require Password or Set AirPlay Password. Once you see Set AirPlay Password, it means you've already enabled Require Password, and you can click here to set your AirPlay password. Then to turn off Require Password on your iPhone, so that each time anyone wants to stream or share Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone, the person no longer has to type in the password. Just go ahead and turn this off. That's it. So this is going to disable or turn off Require Password for AirPlay Receiver on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you found this video informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.